Well, buckle up. We've got a wild ride ahead in the next day or two in the weather department.
It certainly does sound that way. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons out on the weather deck taking a look at all of it.
Has been consistently cold since this weekend. Today, notwithstanding. It is going to warm up though, guys, and we will start to see a change in our weather pattern. 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright. We have some rain in sight starting tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. It's also red. Another warmer day ahead, although today didn't feel very warm. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. So far today, we've reached the upper 20s. We'll hit our highs for the day later on this evening. Right now, it's 31 in South Haven. We forecast 32 for a daytime high. We haven't reached that yet. We're at 29, and so far we're 2 weeks in a row with within our forecast temperatures. 28 this evening. We may go down another degree or two and then rise to almost 41 by daybreak. It's going to be breezy, if not windy, throughout the day tomorrow with periods of rain. Yes, rain throughout the day as we hit the mid and upper 40s. We had 2/10 of an inch of snow today, still running about 3 inches of deficit here for the winter season, and we're not the only ones. Muskegon, you're 26 inches below average, and even up north, there's been a deficit in the northern parts of lower Michigan. The only spot with a surplus has been Sault Ste. Marie with 16.5 inches more than usual. Let's start you on your way over the next several days. Mostly cloudy skies right now. I'm seeing the full moon in the eastern horizon, nearly full moon. This is noon tomorrow, right around 1 o'clock or so. The rain starts to break out. It's going to be rain because temperatures will be well up into the 40s. Rain tomorrow evening may change over and briefly end for a while as a little wintry mix, and then we've got a break Thursday morning before the snow comes back in the afternoon. You notice where the heavier snow appears over the southeastern part of lower Michigan, and you can see by midnight on Thursday skies actually clear on out, and there'll be some lake effect flurries early in the day on Friday. We'll see some afternoon clouds as a very quick system comes through Friday night. First, it's going to be rain tomorrow afternoon and evening, a quarter of an inch, maybe a third of an inch up around Fremont. We could see up to 2/3 of an inch of rain before it does change over to some snow. This is the snow associated with that rain by daybreak on Thursday. And then here comes the snow. This is during the afternoon and early evening. Heaviest will be to the south and east of Grand Rapids, 6+ inches over toward the Detroit area, and maybe as much as 4+ inches down in the Kalamazoo region, and a little bit more on Thursday night into Friday morning. Now, there's the possibility that this could shift a little bit further to the north and west, so that means there could be higher impacts in our area. But for tomorrow, look for wind and some afternoon rain as temperatures climb into the low and mid 40s, even up north. In Ludington, you'll be up into the low 40s. Low and mid 40s up north as well. It'll be windy with that afternoon rain developing, and maybe early to mid-afternoon from the greater Grand Rapids area southward will be in the mid and upper 40s, including 48 in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. And then we'll see some snow and wind on Thursday. We'll see a dry Friday that'll be windy with a little brief light dusting of snow off to the north Friday night. That's going to bring even colder weather for Saturday as we drop into the teens. But breezy and warmer and sunny on Sunday with highs in the low 40s, and then more rain and warm weather on the President's Day next Monday.